Hi, my name is Luke, and this is Keyboard Shortcuts to Exponents. If you'd like to represent exponents, the mathematical power equation, in anywhere on your computer, you can use the up arrow located above the 6 on your keyboard. It looks like this symbol. So if I would like to write 5 to the second power, I would write 5, use the up arrow, and then 2. This is universally accepted in computers as the symbol for exponentiation. Watch as I use Google Calculator. Google Calculator will recognize this as a keyboard shortcut for exponents. I'm going to type 5, now the up arrow, and as you can see, a small box to the top right of the 5 has appeared. Now if I press 2, we have 5 to the second power, or 5 to the second exponent. And if I press enter, we get 25, which is 5 times 5, or 5 to the second. And that's it.